Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2004 Citizen M20. It's a cab 20M bar feeder. Also has a chip blaster, high pressure coolant system. Mitsubishi base control. Spindle's currently running at 3,000 RPM. Speed it up a little bit. That's 6,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. We'll engage your C-axis. It's a full C-axis. And we'll move the cooling up here. Now we're going to do the gang tooling. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,500 RPM. Now we'll run the live tooling down here on the turret. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. Now we'll go to the back. That's 3,000 RPM on the back spindle. The back spindle also has a C-axis. Speed it up, that's 6,000 now. Again, also very quiet. There's your C-axis. Jogging the X. I'm going to jog all the axes. That's Z. You have X. Y. X2. Z2. X3. And Z. Machine's wired 220 volts presently. Can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.